Here you observe some more examples. Already in the previous class, we completed 5 sums. Now example 6, 7, 8. See the sixth example. The length of a rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters if the perimeter of the park is 178 meters. Find the dimensions of the park. Given the relation between length and breadth. If we know the length and breadth directly, we can find the perimeter. But here given the perimeter 178 and the length and breadth not given directly. It's a given relation between them. How the relation is here? The length of a rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If we know the breadth of the park, the length is exceeds mean more than 17 more than the breadth of it. So to solve this problem, first let the breadth of the which shaped park? Rectangle shaped park be x meters. Let the breadth of the rectangle shaped park be x meter. Then the length equal to here given 17 meters exceeds than its breadth x plus 17 meters. We know both length and breadth. By the help of the breadth, we can find the length. If we know the both length and breadth, we can find the perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangular shaped park or rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. Simply we said 2 into L plus B. L is nothing but length, B is nothing but breadth. So perimeter of the park equal to given how much? Our formula is there 2 into L plus B. It's a rectangle shaped park perimeter formula. Now 2 into x plus 17 is the length plus breadth bx equal to, yes, first you simplify this, 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 17. 2 to 4x plus 34 meters. Perimeter of the park as for this length and breadth. We get this one. But given how much? 178. But given perimeter equal to 178. In the problem we got how much perimeter? 4x plus 34 equal to 178. Now it is an equation. Already we know how to solve this type of equation. First send 34 that side, only 4x on the left side, 178 minus 34. 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 144. Then x equal to 144 by, it becomes division, 4. 4 1s, 4 3 is 12, 24. 4 6s, 24 equal to 36. Therefore, x equal to 36. What is our question here? Find Dimensions. Dimension mean nothing but length and breadth. Here we got x. What is x? Breadth of the park x. That means we got the breadth of the park. So breadth equal to how much? 30. And length? Add the 17 to breadth. 30 plus 17, 47. So breadth 36 and length 36 plus 17 equal to how much? 3, 13, 5, 53. So 36, 53. It is the measurements or dimensions of the rectangle shaped curve. Are they right or not? How to check? These two values are dimensions of the given park. Just you substitute these values in the here, this formula. 36 plus 53. How much? 9, 8, 89 into 2. 2 nines, 18. 2 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 178. So these two are correct. You observe this one. How to solve this? See another example. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angles. Differ is nothing but difference between them. Supplementary means if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then they are called supplementary angles to each other. So one angle is exceeds how much? 34 than the other one. Differ means the difference of them equal 34 means one is the smallest, another one is the biggest. The biggest one is 34 more than the smallest angle. So let the smaller angle be x. Then the larger angle equal to x plus 34. Why? The difference of two angles equal to 34. That means one angle is 34 degrees more than the another one. That means one is a smaller, another one is bigger. Let the smaller one be x degrees and larger one be x plus 34. These two are which type of angles? Supplementary angles. Since given to are supplementary, sum of them equal 180. X plus 34 degrees equal 180 degrees. X plus 34 equal 180. Yes, simplify this. 2x plus 34 equal to 180 degrees. Yes, we got a simple equation. First stand this 34 that side. 2x left side, 180 minus 34. 0 minus 4. That means 10 minus 4, 6. Here is 7 minus 3, 4. 1. Then x equal to 146 by 2. 2 sevens, 14. 2 threes. X equal to 73. What is a x? X is a smaller angle. That value equal to how much? 73. So the larger angle equal to 73 plus 34. 7, 10, 107. One angle equal to 73, another angle equal to, sum of these two, we got 180. So, these two are the two angles. Next to, see the law, example 8, it is one of the important example. 5 minutes. The present age of Vijaya's mother is a 4 times the present age of Vijaya. After 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 62. Yes, find their present age. There are two persons here. One is Vijaya and her mother. The present, how is the present age of them? The Vijaya's mother age is how many times? 4 times than Vijaya. After 6 years, sum of their ages will be 62. The question is, find their present ages. Both. Just to understand this sum, you observe this table. Here, two persons, one is Vijaya and her mother, Vijaya's mother. It is a present after 6 years. Let the present age of Vijaya be x. It both are in years. Let the present age of Vijaya equal bx. As for this, the present age of Vijaya's mother, 4 times of Vijaya. 4 times. Present age of Vijaya equal how much? X. So, Vijaya's mother, 4x. 4 times of x. 4x. After 6, how much will be the ages of them? For example, the present age of you is 13 years. After 6 years, your age will be 13 plus 6, 19 years. If you have 13 years now, after it will be 6 years after it will be 19 years. That means 13 plus 9. 13 plus 6, 19. Exactly like that. The present age of Vijaya x after 6 years are age x plus 6. The present age of Vijaya's mother 4x after 6 years 4x plus 6. This is the age of them after 6 years. So, it is the present age of Vijaya x, his mother present age 4x, after 6 years, Vijaya's age 6x plus 6, her mother age 4x plus 6. See the next one. After 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 62. As for the problem, their age, sum of their ages. As for the problem, sum of their ages after 6 years. Yes, will be how much given? Here 62. How to get the sum? By addition. x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 equal to 62. Is the age of Vijaya after 6 years? Is the age of her mother after 6 years? Sum of them equal to 62. Now simplify it. X plus 4x, 5x. 6 plus 6, 12 equal to 62. Now we change it into a simple equation. Now solve it. 5x, 62, send this 12 that side, minus 12. How much? 0, 5, 50. Then x equal to 50 by 5. 5 tens. 10. X equal to 10. What is x? Present age of Vijaya. Present age of Vijaya. Equal to how much? 10 years. Her mother age. Equal to how many times? 4 times. 4 into 10. 40. 10 no? 40. After 6 years, their ages 60, 46. Some of them 62. So those are right. So we can solve like this any situational sums are called applications. Okay? Okay, very good.